Alright, so I have some tofu over here, and basically I just cut them into small little blocks, and I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna pat it down and take out all the water from it, because when I do fry this tofu, it's gonna kind of splash from the oil and the water. So I want to pat it dry, just so I does not kind of have oil come back at me. All right. So I'm gonna take my tofu, and I'm just gonna sear it on both sides. Okay. Alright, so once I have seared the tofu on both sides, I'm gonna now just take it out, and then I'm gonna have it sit and let it cool. Alright, so guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a vegetable roll again. It's gonna be a little different this time though. It's gonna be a tofu asparagus roll with avocado and cucumber. So I'm gonna basically put my asparagus, avocado, and cucumber in the center of my roll, and I'm gonna top it with some nice seared tofu I have over here. Alright, so anyway, what you guys are gonna be needing today is some tofu, which I'll show you guys how to cook, some fried asparagus again, same as the other videos I made, a little bit of sliced cucumbers, and then some avocado, and then some rice and seaweed, as you guys know. Alright, so yeah, let's begin right away, guys. So I'm gonna start right away, and then what we're gonna be needing is I'm gonna be using my nori. I'm gonna be using it, having it rough side facing up. Okay, and I'm gonna just, as I normally do in every video, just take my rice from about 95 to 100 grams. I'm gonna spread my rice across. Okay, and then bring the rice down. Okay, once I have that, I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna put in my asparagus. Okay, since it's a little too long, I'm gonna cut the end a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put some cucumber inside, a little bit of avocado, and then after I have that, I'm just gonna roll it up and put in a little bit more avocado. Okay, just so I can make a very filling roll. Okay, so once you guys have that, now we're just gonna take our bamboo mat as we normally do, and we're gonna shape the roll over again. So once again, as you guys know, I'm using brown rice, so it's definitely not it's a little bit different. It's definitely not the same consistency as regular white rice. Alright, so as you guys know, I showed you in the other video, sometimes when you want to have the roll keep in shape, you can just take a little bit of saran wrap, kind of put it over the top, and then cut with it. Okay, so I'm going to cut this into 8 pieces. Okay, so once I have that into 8 pieces, I'm going to now plate it. Okay, so if you guys need to, you guys can always, reuse the mat just to reshape the roll once. Okay, so once I have that, this is the center of my roll. It's a beautiful avocado asparagus roll, and I'm gonna just plate it and top it with a little bit of tofu on top. Okay guys, so this is very easy to do. Okay, actually, so the tofu's a little big, so I'm just gonna trim it a little bit, just so I get the perfect size on it. So if you guys are wondering, actually, I'm not sure what this is. I kind of just got hungry, and I decided to make something healthy for lunch. So this is what I thought of and what I had. So I hope you guys actually do not mind. But otherwise, I promise you it'll taste really good. Yeah, so once you guys have it, this is what you guys get. A beautiful tofu roll with a fried asparagus, avocado, and cucumber. Otherwise guys, yeah, here's the close-up. This is the tofu asparagus, fried asparagus roll. Okay, yeah, thank you so much guys. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys try it at home. It's really good, I promise you. And for those that are vegetarian or vegan, it's a perfect recipe and perfect for you guys to make at home. Thank you so much.